maganda na nababalik-balikan natin kung ano yung mga nangyari nung high school, yung mga friendships na nabuo natin nung high school, yung mga experiences natin that made us who we are today.
May this evening be our time to reunite, relax, reminisce, to celebrate the years of bond, connection, and friendship. I would like to express the gratitude to my dear alma mater. Maraming salamat po sa Binangonan Catholic College sa pag-ready nyo sa amin sa tunay na laban ng buhay.
So ating batch 99, para sa akin, kayo yung nasa peak ng inyong career. Ang purpose misa ng alumni, reunion natin, ay para tingnan natin, nasaan ba yung dati nating mga kasama, dati nating klase, nasaan ba sila, kung kailangan nila ang tulong, dapat tulungan natin.
Batch 99, congratulations sa ating lahat. Ito na, 25 years.
Sana itong tradition na ito, ipagpatuloy natin. Because this is one way of getting in touch with one another. Kumustahan, kaibigan, and the rest of our friendships with everyone.
Always be proud na graduate kayo ng ating eskwelahan. Huwag kayo mahihiya na kayo ay graduate ng ating eskwelahan. Be proud to be a graduate of the school.
I want to congratulate Batch 99 for their preparation, including that of the Golden Jubilarians. I know it's so hard, it's so difficult to prepare for such a grand homecoming.
Tayo nagkakaroon ng alumni, 25 years, di ba? Parang busy na tayo lahat sa careers, family, but we still took some time, a lot of weekends, even holidays, to practice, to see each other, para mag-plan. So that's what we want to happen tonight. Gumawa tayo ng magandang memories, tapos na ang high school, yes. This is our night. Balikan natin yung mga beautiful friendships na nabuo natin, memories. Let's create new memories with our high school classmates.
Maligayang pagbabalik sa inyong tahanan. Marahil iba't ibang mga kwento, subalit sa kabila ng lahat ng yon, nandito kayo at sama-sama dito sa inyong tahanan.
Congratulations, BCC Batch 99. Viva Las Vegas!
Na nagkita-kita po tayong lahat. Isang malakas sa palakpakan na may hiyawan naman.
Congrats, Batch 99! We're so proud of you. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-support at hindi magiging maganda at success itong aming event na ito kundi dahil sa inyo.
Congratulations, Batch 99, on our silver anniversary. Hope to see you again on our Jubilee Day.
I'm so proud of you guys. I love you all.
Without them, hindi naman magiging successful to. That's all. Batch 99, welcome to Vegas!
Maraming salamat po. Yan po ay utang ng loob ng aming Batch 1999. Hindi lang po siguro ang Batch 1999. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And this is just the start of the celebration. I hope everyone will enjoy. Thank you.
Along the way, tayong lahat, let us thank God for this opportunity na magkita-kita tayo at magkasama-sama. Batch 99, Batch 74, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi and God bless us all.